everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be creating another bracelet and earring set. This time I'm going to make a gold one as well as a silver one. I'm going to be using some of these beads that I purchased from Hobby Lobby with some little, what is these? Some little gold and silver charm pendants. I got these off of Amazon. These just have like, let me see if I can get this to focus. These have like little inspirational words on them. Yeah, I'm going to be using elastic, so let's go ahead and get up into this. Alright you guys, so as you can see I am all finished up. I have the gold set and the silver set. So let me show you the earrings a little bit closer up. You guys, I'm so ecstatic with how these turned out. Let me see, zoom in a little, right there. Okay, these are super cute, and I don't know if you can tell, but these middle beads right here are like iridescent, like AB type of feel to them. These are super cute with the matching bracelet as well. Look at that, cute. And I ended up not adding these big old charms on them. I just did some little cute little AB iridescent little charms. I think that's cute. And then this is the gold one. I think the gold one is my favorite. I added another, the same thing, except for this one is gold. And then I did these earrings a little bit different. So yeah, you got the dangles over here in the gold set, and then you got the hoops over here. I think it's cute. Let me know which one you like and which one is your favorite. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.